Okay, I haven't tried to do this before, and you may notice why. All the vibration is puppies licking the tripod, but I want to show you how to do a subcutaneous injection. And I'm not trying to cut into any vet's business, I'm just trying to make it so that more puppies get vaccinated. So I've got one puppy to go here. Usually you get it in this little bag with a syringe and everything. Crack off the back cap. Get rid of the case or set it aside. I always make sure that the needle's tight, so I'll crank it in a little tighter before I'll pull it off. Hold that in my mouth just like Dr. Pol. Then I stick it in the liquid vial and I extract the liquid into the syringe. Once it's in the syringe, I'm done with that. Then I go push the air out, go to the powder vial, stick it in there, and it usually is under vacuum, so it goes automatically, and it's going to dissolve all that powder. So I've got one puppy to do, and he's way over there. I'm going to have to try to call him over so I don't have to upset the whole apple cart. But once it's mixed good, you can see it in there, no chunkies left. I'm going to extract it back into the syringe. I pull it all the way out so the tip is right at the rubber thing, so I get all of it. It's real empty. Then I push the air out. Try to let all the bubbles go to the top. Push the air out. Now it's ready to go. Hey, Blackie! Hey, buddy! Come here, baby! Come here, baby! Come here, baby! They're all gonna come, but I got the guy I need. What I usually do is I'll take a fold of skin on their back, and then we rough it up. Then they get a little bit numb to it. Stick it in there and yank it out. That's just all there is to it. I make a little pyramid. Good boy, good puppy. Oh, you're trying to respond to that. I make a little pyramid of skin. I've done them all, but I'll grab a different one so that that's not quite so fresh. I make a little pyramid of skin right there, and then I'll stick the needle right in that fold. And I'll get under the skin, and then you just put the vaccination under the skin, not in the muscle tissue. And you're good to go. It's that simple, so I hope more people will vaccinate their puppies.